Tia, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how to plan the perfect picnic. So myself alongside my 3 best friends, we decided to have a picnic in City Park in New Orleans, Louisiana this past Saturday. And we set it up and everything by ourselves and it came out flawless. So much so that it inspired me to want to share this video with y'all. So let's hop right on into it. The first thing you want to do when planning a picnic is to pick a theme. What do you want your setup to look like? Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest are perfect starting grounds for getting ideas on how you want to do it. Once you've gotten your inspiration, the next thing you want to do is look in your home or your apartment for your basic layout, which is either going to be a blanket or a comforter set large enough to host you and your party and, you know, your spread of food. So my best friend Freddie had a large, very glamorous comforter set that she no longer used, and she still had her accent pillows and everything. I'll insert a video of the day we found it and settled on using it. So we decided to use this large pewter and silver colored comforter that had like bright silver accents, and her pillows had silver, pewter, and wheat. So when I saw it, I was very inspired, and I already knew where I wanted to go with getting the accent pieces for like our spread. So that's what you want to do. You want to start with what you already have, and if you don't have anything, I recommend going to Home Goods or your other local retailers and finding maybe a discounted comforter, maybe at the Goodwill. You know, wash it, cleanse it really good, and maybe use that for your spread out. And then for your accents to go on top, you can go real basic and just take your food out of your picnic basket and, you know, have at it that way. You can go just a little bit up and get you some plastic dishes from Dollar Tree. They have platters. You can get platters to lay your fruit out on. If you made a charcuterie setup yourself, you can put it on one of those plastic platters. Or Dollar Tree has clear bowls that are like shaped like this. You can put your chips or, you know, treats or anything in those kind of containers, and it'll be like a little step up from the basics. Or you can go a little higher aesthetically and get serving boards or serving trays, you know, to go on top of your layout. So these are examples of what I picked up from Home Goods. This is specifically designed for like a fruit display, and it has the net over it for protection from the flies. We had our fruit set up on it, really cute. It has a little, it was broken here, so I got it for a discount. I think I may have gotten it for like $12 from Home Goods. So that was for our fruit. And I got this serving tray with our charcuterie in mind, and us having a place to put our cups and glasses, you know, from our water. And let's see, this was $24.99 from Home Goods. And the last 2 items that I got for the setup to go on top of the blanket were these 2 dishes. The 2-pack was $4.99, I believe. From Home Goods, we ended up putting our salsa and guacamole containers on this one, chips on this one. And to play into the silver, I got this tin, which we were able to put ice in, and our mini bottles of water. It was perfect. All these items are lightweight and from Home Goods. Let's see, this was $12.99, and look how deep it is. Perfect. So These were the items we put on top of our quilt to bring our look together. And then we just put our food items that we brought inside. So set up, one more thing. We had flowers for a little razzle dazzle. These were also $12 from Home Goods. So Home Goods came in handy. You can also use Dollar Tree, Goodwill, other local retailers, even City Trends. Some City Trends, don't look at me like that. Yes, City Trends has comforter sets for the low that you can go in there and you might look up on something that you're willing to use for a picnic. So all that being said, you're gonna need a blanket or a comforter set and choose the items that you wanna go on top. The last thing is, how are you gonna transport these items? You want a reasonable sized cooler and something that's easy for mobility's sake. It was 4 girls, so we did not want the heavy duty polar ice coolers. I opted to get these from Home Goods as well. Super lightweight and rollable. Came in handy. They're insulated. We were able to put ice in here. Our charcuterie board that we ordered from Nola Charcuterie fit perfectly in here. It was delicious if you're in the New Orleans area. Definitely patronize Christina for your charcuterie needs. It was awesome. I got 2 coolers. This one housed the items that I bought from the local supermarket, the Walmart, and some other local markets for our menu. You want to go super simple with your menu, mostly prepackaged items. If you don't have time to make things like us, we just bought guacamole, salsa, chips, prepackaged chicken salad, prepackaged fruit trays, and it turned out perfect. So again, quick, simple rules: what you want to have, your blanket, comforter set. Settle on your setup. You can go super simple. You can step it up a little bit aesthetically. And your menu. Settle on your menu. And you want to go easy with that unless you have time to put a lot of work in. And last but not least, your location. We chose City Park above the lake, and it was beautiful. So yeah, that's all I have. I hope it helps somebody. I'm going to put a detailed breakdown for you guys to screenshot either on the screen or in the description box, just a checklist of what you need when you plan out your perfect picnic. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.